Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, April the 6th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and we have a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. This is an indecisive type candle. It's a spinning top type candle, almost a doji type candle, which is a candle of indecision. We have a very small body, and the small body means that neither side really made any significant progress on the day between the open and the close. So the market has opened in the middle of the range and closed in the middle of the range. So the market has been attempting to trade to the upside and downside with no net result. So that's important for any potential continuation of the trend to the upside. It raises doubt about continuation of the trend. We have the long shadows on the top and the bottom, and the long shadow on the top represents downside price rejection. It represents sellers coming in, and a loss of commitment by the buyers as the market tested up around 1340. On the bottom of the candle, the small body, we have another large shadow that represents buyers coming in. It represents upside price rejection, and that upside price rejection occurred at this 1332 level, which was previous resistance, which we spoke about yesterday as potential support now, and we know that support and resistance can change its roles, and in this case we've seen it now act as support for this market today. It also represents loss of commitment from the sellers. So in this candle we have a loss of commitment from the buyers and a loss of commitment from the sellers, and that's what makes this an indecisive type candle and raises doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside. So it doesn't actually mean that we will have a change of trend. There is doubt about continuation of the trend. And while we have doubt about continuation, then there is potential for a change of trend. So it is important for us to watch this 1332 area for a test to the downside and a possible lower high and lower low. Now, if the market does change trend, then we do have potential support down at 1324, and then certainly at the Tenkan Sen at 1322, and then down to the top of the cloud at roughly 1314. Support extends all the way down through there to roughly 1288, which includes the 1300 round number support and the Kijun Sen support at 1294. Now, if the market does continue trending up to the upside, we have strong potential resistance at 1344, which was this major swing high, which was the start of this previous symmetrical triangle. If we do have a bullish close up above there, there isn't any solid resistance until we trade up to around 1363. So a good solid test up above that level with a bullish breakout could see the market appreciate quite significantly to around 1363, 1364. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud, so we have an overall positive bias, and trading above the Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen, which means the market is bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames. We have the Chikou span, which is just here, this orange line, not to be confused with the border of the symmetrical triangle, and that's trading just above the corresponding price action, so that is confirming their overall bullishness in the market, although it's only just above the price action, so not a terribly strong confirmation, almost quite neutral by the fact that it's very close to price action. So in big picture terms, bullish, all time frames bullish. The Tenkan Sen is indicating good solid upside momentum. Quite often if a market does come off, that's the area where we tend to find the support. That's around 1322. But very indecisive trading over the last 3 days, 3 spinning top type candles, certainly not the way that we'd want to see a market rally. The important thing for the bulls is that the bears haven't taken control of this market, and they haven't sold this market off in any substantial way. So that does potentially set the market up for a decent price appreciation if we can close above those important areas of resistance.